Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have this setup. There are two links, AB and BC. And then at this instance, the slider block C moves at 8 meters per second down the inclined groove. Okay, and we need to determine the angular velocities of links AB and BC. Okay, so based on the diagram, we're going to write down the given information, which is, so VC is given. So VC is 8 cosine 45 degrees I minus sine 45 degrees J. Okay, so this is, if you work out the magnitude, you get 4 root 2 I minus J. And then we can also write VC to be equal to VB plus omega BC cross R C relative to B. Okay, so these are some things that we can write, and then so we also want to get a few more equations, information such as the position vector A to B is 2I, and then the position vector of point C relative to B is minus 2J. Okay, so we always work with this coordinate system. Okay, so that's how we write down the position coordinates. And then VB is also equal to omega AB cross RAB. Okay, so this is just, so omega AB is going to move, this is how omega AB would look like. Okay, it's going to rotate clockwise, so there will be a negative sign, and then K cross 2I. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2 omega AB in the J direction. So we expect that VB is going downward. Okay, so that's why there's a negative sign, which makes sense. Okay, we don't know the direction of omega BC, so I'm just going to write out generically in this manner. Okay, then so we have the relevant information. So this is the equation that we want to use. So VC will just be 2 omega AB. Okay, so just rewrite the equation. Okay, again I'm using this equation. Okay, I'm going to put down here. Okay, so VC equals to VB plus omega BC cross RC relative to B. Okay, so we can gather the information. This is VC at the left hand side. So 4 root 2 I minus J is equal to 2 omega minus 2 omega AB in the J direction plus omega BC K direction cross minus 2J. Okay, this is the position vector of point C relative to B. Okay, so just keep going. Minus 2 omega AB J plus, so K cross J gives minus I with a minus sign, so you get 2 omega BC in the J direction. In the I direction. Okay. Right, so just to rearrange the components easily, so 2 omega BC I minus 2 omega AB J. Okay, so right now you can see that we can compare components. Okay, comparing components. Okay, so the x component. So we have for root 2 equals to 2 omega bc, which means that omega bc is 2 root 2. So this is 2.83 radians per second. And then for the y component, so we have 4 root 2 equals to 2 omega AB. Okay, so that means omega AB will just be 2 root 2 equals to 2.83 radians per second. Okay, just that omega BC is going to be clockwise. Omega BC is counterclockwise. Okay, but omega AB will be clockwise. Okay, yeah, so this is the answer for omega BC, and then this is the answer for omega AB. Okay, that's all.